Today, I will show you how to reduce noise from your recording, and also I will show the same on iOS. So, let's get started. So, first, you will need to download this app known as Audio Lab. Wow, that rhymes. And first, if you want to record, then you can just click this record audio, and but we need to just reduce the noise, so we need to go to this noise remover. And yeah, I have already recorded the audio, as you can hear. This is recorded on the JBL LM30 lavalier mic, and the phone is OnePlus 8T. Yeah, so to be honest, I don't have that much of distortion, but if you have, then you will have to click this remove shell-like noise and just keep the default setting if you have a bit more than mine. But if you are having a lot of distortion, then you can keep it to more x times. Then like you can also get it 8 if you are having a lot of noise, but you won't have. I can say that, so I will just do 1. Okay, let's just see again. This is recorded on the JBL LM30 lavalier mic, and the phone is OnePlus 8T. The people with high-end headphones, or even a bit good headphones, might have noticed the change, but people who are just watching this on their regular mono speaker of their phone, then I don't think they will understand the difference, but still it's really good. And now let's just see the iOS way. And talking about the iOS way, it is a lot more simple, but it is a bit less effective. And I have already recorded this sound. This is recorded from the JBL LM30 lavalier mic, and the device I'm using is the iPad Air 2. Yeah, it has not that much of a distortion, but still it does have a bit of distortion. But normal people can't hear it. If you have a pretty good headphone, then you can hear it. What you need to do is just click enhance recording. It will have a lot better than. This is recorded from the JBL LM30 lavalier mic, and the device I'm using is the iPad Air 2. I think you can definitely tell the difference if you are using a headphone. If not, then you can't tell the difference that one, but still it has a difference. Okay, then that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe.